Motorhead Garage, the program that each week introduces you to and shows you how to install the latest in exciting and innovative products for your vehicle. Now here's your host, Dave Dobson.
Hey there, Motorheads. Welcome to Motorhead Garage, presented by DragonFireTools.com. Now, I know you've seen Overland tents, but you haven't seen one like this. This is from Inspired Overland, and Ferdinand, you designed this thing. What makes this design special?
What makes this design special is the three things that we pay attention of is lightweight, durability, and affordability.
And let's talk about the weight of this thing compared to other tents that are out there.
Correct. So this tent is one of the lightest tents in the market currently at 87 pounds. Most tents are about 120, 150, up to 200. And by having that lightweight tent, you save on the miles per gallon, and it's also easy to set up. One of the most important things is people don't know is dynamic and static weight. The dynamic weight is when you're moving and driving. Most cars only are able to hold up to 150 pounds with the factory roof rack. That means that you have to change from a factory roof rack to a roof rack like this design, which costs you about $1,000 or more.
This tent only weighs 87 pounds.
Correct.
So then your static weight then when you're camping up is like...
It's 500 to 650, which is there's no issue. It's pretty much go to any car.
Very cool. And you touched on it, but putting it up on the roof for the first time is a whole lot easier when it's 87 pounds.
Correct.
Yeah, you can do it with a couple of people. How do I know this tent from Inspired Overland is going to fit my vehicle?
We provide 2 universal brackets that comes with the price and the tent all in one box. So we have the flat brackets and we have the curved brackets. And both can go to a factory roof rack and crossbar, or you can use aftermarket roof rack and crossbar. And they're both all included with the price of the tent.
Well, let's talk about the affordability then. How does this compare to other tents on the market?
What you're getting, it's about half the price of other tents out there.
That raises a red flag, I think, to a lot of people. Like, okay, if it's half the price, it must only be half as good. But durability is another one of your tenets now. What are the materials that go into this to make it durable?
One of the main materials that we use on this upgraded tent is the zipper. We use the YKK zipper, which is one of the top Japanese brands out there that you can buy in the market.
About the strongest zipper?
The strongest zipper you can buy is the YKK. And the next is we use the materials. This is a 2000 denier polyester, which is UV and waterproof protection. Most tents out there only use 600 to 800 denier materials. So that means the ripstop of this tent is 3 times the strength.
Incredible.
And also the next one would be the top cover. It's durable because it's, the way you look at it, it's a tonneau cover. Tonneau cover, as long as you use the basic maintenance as in 303 sprays, it's gonna last you for 10 or more years. It just right out of the gate, you know, you're not only getting an affordable product, but you're also getting a good quality products.
Okay, now it's durable. There aren't gonna be a lot of features to it, but that's not the case here. This thing's loaded.
It comes standard with the condensation mat on the inside. It comes with 1-inch foam mattress, which you can upgrade to 3-inch mattress.
And 3 inches, that's still gonna shut?
It's just still gonna shut the tent, and the craziest thing is, if you shut this thing down, it's only up to 4-inch. That's when you can park this thing in the garage.
Big consideration for weekend warriors.
Correct.
Cool, and then I see the gear loft there, and you have a place to attach a flashlight as well. I know that the piston there holds the tent up by itself. Do we need these poles?
You don't necessarily need the poles. The whole string of the tent, it's come from the unique design. It's from the struts. So this is pretty much what makes it also unique, because you can open and close basically 60 seconds. For someone that just wanted to weekend warriors, go out to the beach, going out quick camping, all you need just basically is open the tent and you're ready to go. And of course, if you're going to winter camping, snowing, you know it's going to be raining, then the pole would be added on to give extra strength.
And the mosquito netting, is it just on the one side there?
No, the mosquito netting basically goes all around. It's also good added on protection if you have little children up there that go out with you. It's just a little peace of mind, right?
Sure, a little safety feature.
Correct.
And the ladders, I know we have one on this side. Can you access the tent from the other sides as well?
Yes, correct. This telescopic ladder goes on all 3 sides. Basically what you see here, the attachment, it's versatile that you can go and park and camp anywhere as long as you find a place, and you can go from the back or from either sides to get in to the tent.
I also opened the tailgate earlier to see if it would clear the tent, had full access to that, so that was terrific. And I also love it because it's going to fit in my garage, so those 2 things make it great. The Global Media also thought it was great at SEMA this year. They gave it the Global Media Award for the best new product. You're going to love it. It's at inspiredoverland.com. More Motorhead Garage presented by DragonFireTools.com. When we come back, campers.